Hello people, and welcome to Zim Reality ITV. My name is DJ Sparks. Tiripanapa patinoona nyaya dzakasiyana-siyana dzinenge dzichiitika munyika yeZimbabwe, dzichiitika mativi mana ose enyika yeZimbabwe. Nyaya yandinayo panapa inyaya yevhidhiyo yandandikuratidza sechiprofita chataurwa naApostle Talent Chiwenga achitaura kuti munyika yeZimbabwe taona zvinhu zvaramba zvichioma, but ndauya nayo vhidhiyo iyi so that inogona kukubatsirawo sereminder even for maprophecies anga achibuda madezi apfuura. Ndinofamba pane chiprofita chakataurwa naprofeti Melodic Horace, poita chimwe chiprofita chakaprofitwa naprofeti Ian Ndlovu. Zviprofita zvakawanda, saka totorai kuti zvive zvakawanda kuitira kuti vanhu vakwanise kurelata uyezve maintercessors akwanise kunamatira nyika information kuna maDoubting Thomas vakaziva kuti anozvabva kumaman of God akati one day zvinobatsira. Saka ndenyaya yanga ichitaurwa chiprofita chanchitaurwa naprofeti naApostle Talent Chiwenga. This is not a prophet, ndi apostle. Sanja play video yacho panapa mubva maruwanza nomba makomendawo mubva manavatira nyika kuti ngokomenda chete. But before sandapinda panyaya guys, kana pachinge paina kuda kudrilla maballs awo ndauya neAbsolute Wetlands kuti uyai tikudrille maball nemaprice reasonable kana mazvikokota when it comes to nyaya iyoyi. Saka namba dzavo ndodziri kufamba pazasapo, saka munongotora namba idzodzi then muona kuti mungabatsirikane sei, mungakwanisa kuwana rubatsiro sei. But for now tichiplay video racho. Before senda play video raApostle Talent Chiwenga ndofamba mukona flyer kumashure kwangu mukazoshamisa kuti kodherechi prophet kuda kwashe Jose ari kuinvite Mose musi 23 August kunzvimbo yeGlamis Arena. So you are all invited guys. Kuna matambudziko akasiyana-siyana, uyai, it's a mega all night yavanenge variko vachinamatira vanhu vana matambudziko akasiyana-siyana kunenge kuchirohwa prayer. So guys batikai, music change chiprovidwa vachange tina ministers of God ayarapa vanominister through music mukoma Matthias Mbena mukoma Texture Zama. But pa recent post ndaona kuti baba Harare vapo, saka anenge ane mahwani ega. But for now ndenge timbo play video timbonzwe kuti Apostle wari kuti chini.
Zimbabweans are the most selfish and self-serving and self-hating people. We hate ourselves and we hate ourselves at the same time.
Yes.
I am sorry, I am a bearer of bad news. I don't see prosperity in the short-coming future. What I see is more victimization, more sorrow, more pain. People are going to lose properties. Properties are going to be lost because of politically motivated agendas. People are going to lose jobs because companies will continue to shut down. Man of God, where are we going as far as where we are now? We are in 2024 in Zimbabwe. I don't see a reprieve in the short side. As we speak right now, I don't see things changing this year or next year. I don't see that. That's the shortest term I can see. I don't see anything changing. What I rather heard as a voice, it said to me, what is wrong with the people of Zimbabwe is that they don't feel for each other. When someone is being harassed, when someone is being attacked, when someone is being abducted, killed, violated, sexually abused, the society in Zimbabwe turns a blind eye. It's one man for himself, God for us all. So what God has decided to do, He has decided to use this rogue government that a significant percentage of our people, each one receives a fair share of their own wounds. And the pain is going to unite us. Political ideologies will not unite Zimbabweans. Religious ideologies will not unite Zimbabweans.
No.
But pain shall eventually unite Zimbabweans.
Okay.
This time we hear that the government is destroying people's homes, saying that they are illegal settlers. A responsible government does not do that. People are being evicted to create space for the Chinese mines and mining companies to exploit resources in villages where people have been living for centuries. The government doesn't care. What God has decided to do is, we are all going to be victimized until one day there are few left who are not victimized. And the pain is going to be the uniting factor. Our greatest weakness as a people is that we lack love for one another. Zimbabweans are the most selfish and self-serving and self-hating people. We hate ourselves and we hate ourselves at the same time.
Yes.
So, if there is any prophecy of peace and prosperity that you have received, I am sorry, I am a bearer of bad news. I don't see prosperity in the short-coming future. What I see is more victimization, more sorrow, more pain. People are going to lose properties. Properties are going to be lost because of politically motivated agendas. People are going to lose jobs because companies will continue to shut down until everybody says, what do we have left? Nothing. Let's now claim back our true position in the society. The government of Zimbabwe is the boss. The people of Zimbabwe are the servants. That's the simplest definition of a dictatorship. A proper leadership is when the president and his government are servants of the people. If you don't know this, go and read a book called A Man of the People. I think it was written by Chinua Achebe. It's a very simple book. You can understand this very simply. So as long as we acknowledge and we receive and we take this position that we are servants, and that's why we call ministers chef. Unosangana na minister kuti makadii chef. Iwe ndiwe chef kuna minister. Minister akatoya akatsvaga basa kwauri. Ukamupa basa rekuti atungamirire hurumende yako on your behalf. But now wakusangana na MP, wakumuti chef. Ukusangana na minister, urikumuti chef. Ukusangana na president, urikukati chef. President havasi chef vako. Iwe ndiwe chef wa president. He works for you. That's a proper democratic institution.
Right, tofunga guys manzwa kutaura kwa apostle wata zvinhu zvakawandisa vakati pain ndo ichatibatanidza, tichabatanidzwa nekurwadziwa because we don't feel for each other. Mumwe munhu akaona muona achiita se ari kurwadziwa, you don't care, you don't mind, you mind your own work also. We usually mind our own business. Izvo kuti munhu azoita sei aita sei hatinei nazvo maZimbabweans. Hanzi pain ndo ichatibatanidza toita chinhu chimwe chete. Tisingazive kuti boere but hanzoni havaone anything chinogona kuchinja anytime soon, this year kana next year, which means chiprofita chavo chiri kupikisana nechimwe chiprofita chatakambonzwa so cheprophetic 1 week. Like atizoona kuti zvinopera sei, only time will tell, because time ndo yega inogona kungotiudza chaizvo because only time will tell. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, thanks for supporting Zim at ITV. Don't forget to come I'm 23 August ku Glamis Arena all night kuchenge kuina prophet kuda kwashe Jose na prophetess let Queen Jose vanenge variko vese ende kuchange kuchifarwa, kuchange kuchinamatwa, kuchange kuchisunungurwa munhu. Music change chiprovidwa na mukoma Tekshua Zama na mukoma Mathias Mere na Baba Harare. So otherwise for now I am out.